Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Wild Casino account. Wild Casino does not offer a straightforward way to completely delete your account. However, you can achieve a similar outcome by deactivating your account. So in order to do that, you'll need to go ahead and open a web browser and then type in wildcasino.ag and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Wild Casino. Go ahead and log into your account first, and once you're inside the main homepage, click on the Help button at the top left corner of the screen. To deactivate your Wild Casino account, you can go ahead and contact the customer support. From the Help Center, go ahead and scroll all the way down under Need Help. You can choose any one of these options in order to proceed with your account deactivation process. Go ahead and write down an email to this email address over here and mention that you'd like to delete your account. You can also phone call on this number displayed on the right hand side of the screen right under Call Us and request to this customer support agent that you'd like to deactivate or close your Wild Casino account. Another way you can do so is by contacting the Live Help. Click on Live Help option and then mention that you'd like to delete your account by starting a chat. So those were some of the ways you can delete or deactivate your Wild Casino account in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.